This guy creates an impressive 3D effect by assembling tile puzzles with remarkable finesse. Legos don't cut it for these builders because they can easily build a real house. Amazing! Working with hot bitumen up to 204 degrees Celsius every day is a piece of cake for a pro like this. These guys definitely understand the meaning of the phrase, "time is money." All you need is a reliable team like this to make the smoothest wall ever. Admire the masterful way this artist manipulates metal like origami. Carrying 198 pounds of cement in one go is no problem for a pro like this. These geniuses at work figured out a clever way to save their backs and move blocks with lightning speed. In this worker's hands, even demolishing a roof looks incredibly cool. Some will claim that this is either a magic tool or magic paint, but I'm telling you that these are magic hands. With just a putty knife, this man can transform your facade into something more eye-catching. The precision it takes to be able to paint without touching the grass is priceless. I am amazed at the expertise of people who can create and assemble propellers for huge ships. Not every drywall specialist can achieve flawless results like these. Such an extraordinary team effort outperforms anything a machine could do. Believe it or not, this stonework is just a brilliant imitation made from cement and expert brushing. Now this is what I call valuable work. Thanks to the diligent work of this man, road markings are consistently perfect. Who says culinary skills can't be useful in road work? I'm sure these guys are just as good at kneading dough. These workers' technique for effortlessly moving 2,600-ton structures is pure genius. The excellence of this work ensures that this design will last for decades. Not all geniuses are scientists. This one, for example, covers parquet floors. In the hands of this sorcerer, plaster turns into marble. It's truly astounding. Brushes and putty knives are for weaklings. Real olds can apply the mixture straight out of the container. A skilled builder knows that the environment plays a crucial role. It's simply impossible to make window trim as high quality as this worker. Have you heard about the eighth wonder of the world? That's right, it's this concrete waterfall. Apparently, bricklaying needs to be elevated to the level of art, because we're looking at a masterpiece here. A budget-friendly brick wall, just sponges, glue, cardboard, paint, and this incredible craftswoman. It must be so awesome to be a pro. Want plain walls? Done. How about brick walls? No problem. These ingenious builders have already figured out the benefits of using bottles for moisture resistance and insulation. With the help of rails, this genius turned a wall into something astoundingly fantastic. Meet the speediest furnace builders ever. Who says fast work can't be quality work? Check this out. Believe me, you'll be itching for these guys to work their magic at your place too. Watch how this experienced person meticulously applies plaster to turn a pool into a velvety oasis. Guys, I think we found some real human chainsaws. This clip is really awesome. This guy's barrel loading skills should qualify him for the Olympics. The work becomes far more effective when you have inventors on your team. For this team, construction challenges take a backseat to innovative ideas. These rock crushers are more synchronized than a Swiss watch. It doesn't matter if it's the floor or the ceiling. This guy does it all at the highest level. Crafting a non-slip doorstep with liquid plastic is this tradesman's secret weapon. Having mastered the laser technique to perfection, one worker can clean a building's facade 30 times faster than usual. You now have the unique opportunity to witness the work of high-quality railway workers. This team is able to install heavy marble thanks to their unwavering focus on the task. With a little space and some drywall, a skilled pro can transform the ordinary into art. For this painter, every wall is a canvas, and his work is nothing short of perfection. This cobblestone pathway is absolutely supreme. Talk about some serious talent. This guy understands the concept of persistence like no one else on the planet. With the speed of these workers, the whole world will be covered in tiles before you know it. Nature has gifted this worker with many talents. I'm jealous. What's going on here? Who's letting surgeons drive excavators? This excavator operator's ingenuity makes him a one-person powerhouse on the construction site.